I welcome you to the another video on data structures. So in this video you are learning about tuples and sets. So tuples are similar to the list. List means set of elements. Tuples are also data structure. Here also you can have set of elements, but the difference between list and tuple is with list the elements can be changed. With tuple the elements cannot be changed. That means list is mutable and tuples is not mutable. So how to create a tuple? So you can create a tuple by using normal brackets here. So t is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 3 is repeated, and printing t, then checking the type of t. So what is t? T is a tuple. And indexing and slicing are same as you have learned in list. So we need to specify the index. Index starts from 0. As the index is starting from 0, the last element is at n minus 1. So t of 3 means what is the element at the index 3. So this is 0th element, 1 2 3. So the element at the position 3 is 4. And this is slicing. So indexing and slicing are same everywhere. So 2 to 5 means actually not up to the 5, it is up to 4 only. That means 2 3 4. The elements at the positions 2 3 4 are 3 4 5 here. And here I am trying to change the value at the position 3. We have already seen t of 3 is 4, and then I want to replace 4 with 7, which is not possible because tuples are immutable. You can see the error here. Tuple doesn't support item assignments, so changing the element is not possible. So that's the point to be noted. Then I'm trying to create a tuple from list. So this is list here, user defined name, L3 is equals to 1 2 3. Then T2 is equals to, you can use the predefined method tuple from L3. So creating a tuple from list here. Then you can also do it in do this in reverse. So from tuple you are creating a list. So this is also possible. So this is list. With list the square brackets are used. Next, what are the built-in functions with tuple? So here we are considering some important methods of the tuple. So printing tuple, and then I'm trying to count the number of times 3 is there in the tuple. So 3 is totally here 2 times. So the count of 3 is 2. Then index. Index means is the function which returns the index of the given elements. So what is the position of 3? When you have multiple elements, it always gives the first one. It considers the first one. So index of 3 is, this is 0 1 2. So index of 3 is 2. Then sorted is the method. You can sort the elements of a tuple. So t3 is equals to sorted of t. So all the elements are sorted. So this is increasing order. You can check the type of 3. So it's a tuple, sorry, it's a list. Okay, it is giving the result as a list. Then here sorting the elements in reverse order means in descending order. So we need to write reverse is equals to true. So this is descending order, means decreasing order. So these are the couple of important methods of tuple. So tuple is similar to the list. So majority of the methods of list are also applicable on tuple. Then the third data structure is sets. So sets are used, you might have learnt about sets in mathematics or in elementary standard. The important functions, important operations performed on sets are like checking performing union, intersection, finding the difference between the sets, and symmetric difference. So we'll have a look on that. So first of all, how to create a set. So to create a set, you can use a set method, or you can also use angle brackets. So set1 is equals to set, and checking the type of set1. So it is a set but no elements, so it's a empty set. Then creating a set here. Set 2 is equals to 1 2 2 3 3 4. The main use of set is to have unique values, so duplicates are not allowed. So even though here 2 and 3 are 2 times, we just have a single copy. So 1 2 3 4. Actually we are passing 6 elements, but in the resultant set we just have 4, means duplicates are removed. Then checking the type of set 2, so this is also set. Next here, creating a set from list. So ls4 is user defined name, which is equals to 1 2 3 and set of ls4. So ls4 is a parameter to the method set. Then set is created from the list. You can see the set, so angle brackets are used. Then creating a set from list here. So set 3 is equals to set of, we are directly passing the element, whereas in cell number 16 we are passing the name of the list, but here in cell 17 we are directly passing the list. Then set can also be created from tuple. So t is the tuple, of course we are creating it creating t another time. So set 4 is equals to set of t. So set is created from tuple. So with the tuple and also with the sets, angle brackets are used. Then what are the built-in functions? As I mentioned, so these are the very important methods on set, like finding the union, means getting the elements from both the sets A and B. Intersection means common elements. So let us take variables here. Set 4 is equals to 1 2 3 and set 5 is 2 3 4 5. So here we have the duplication of elements. So when we perform union operation on set 4 and set 5, union means getting the elements from all the sets. So set 4 union set 5 means combining these two sets. We have duplicates 2 3 2 3. So but we will be getting only single copy. So 1 2 3 4 5. Next, how to add an element to the set. So set actually organize the element in order. So order is maintained. So to the set 4 I am adding 0. So add of 0. So 0 is added at the appropriate position, means before 1, because 0 is less than all the elements. Next, to the set 4 I am adding 5. So 5 is greater than all the available elements, so 5 is going to be added after 3. So this is the output. This is another example. S is equals to A 2 Z1. So we are having different types of elements. So remember, set is heterogeneous type, means different types of elements are also possible. So here creating a set. When you create a set, first you are having the numbers displayed at the beginning, then the characters. Now to this resultant set, if I add 3, then 3 is going to be added after 2, because 3 is greater than 1 and 2. And to the same list, to the same set, if you add C, then C is going to be added between A and Z. So C is greater than A based on the ASCII value and also in alphabetical order, and C is less than Z. So C is added between A and Z. So this is the resultant set. Then what do you mean by intersection? Intersection means this function gives elements which are in both sets, means common elements between set 2 and set 3. So for your understanding, I am displaying set 2 and also displaying set 3. Then set 2 dot intersection of set 3. What are the common elements? You can see set 2 is 1 2 3 4 and set 3 is 1 2 3. The common elements are 1 2 3 from first one, second one also has 1 2 3. So the resultant set has 1 2 3. Then what is difference? So difference means outputs a set which contains elements which are in set 1 but not in set 2. I repeat again, the elements in set 1 but not in set 2. So we are printing set 2 and 3 first and then finding the difference. So from the results you can see uh, from set 2 the elements not in the difference between set 2 and set 3. So 1 2 3 is there, right, in set 1, or also 1 2 3 is there in set 2. So the difference is set 4. Set 4 is not there in set 3. So the difference is 4. Then set 3 difference with set 2. So that means here we will be getting null. So no elements. That means first it outputs the elements which are in set 1, which should not exist in set 2. So that's why no elements exist. Then one more function is symmetric difference. Means it outputs elements which are in one of the sets. That means the difference element also available in both the sets. So that's the meaning of symmetric difference. So creating new sets here, set 5 is equals to 1 2 3, set 6 is 3 4. So symmetric difference. So what is a common element? The common element is 3 here. So other than common elements, from set 5 the numbers are 1 2, from set 6 4. So symmetric difference is 1 2 4. Symmetric difference is 1 2 4. So on the same sets, if you perform difference, so what is the difference? You'll be getting 3 is common, so it results the elements from first set only. So the difference is 1 2. So this is about the symmetric difference. Then these are the common operations which can be applied on set: is subset, is disjoint, and is superset. So you might be having the basics of sets, basic operations of sets. So here normally when you consider the set, like this, so this is set A and you have one more set B. So we say A is superset. A is superset of B. A is called as superset and B is called as subset. Okay, A is called as superset and B is called as subset. The elements you have in B are also there in A. So these functions gives us the Boolean results. That means either true or false. It gives us the output true or false. So here the sets are 1 2 3. SS1 is 1 2 3. SS2 is 2 3. So we are checking SS2 is subset of SS1. Yes, it is true because 2 and 3 are also there in SS1. So the result is true. What about in reverse? SS2 is SS2 is the superset of SS1. No, because SS2 is subset. Then again I am printing the set 4 and set 5 for our understanding, and I am checking whether set 4 and set 5 are disjoint. Disjoint means no common elements. So if you represent this graphically, like this is your set and this is your another set, let's denote as A and B. So there are no common elements. So when there are no common elements, the sets are called as disjoint. If there are common elements, so that is nothing but union. So this part represents the common elements between A and B. So we are checking whether these are disjoint. No, because we have common elements, right? 1 2 3, and here also we have 1 2 3. Then another method is pop. So pop means it removes arbitrary element. It can remove arbitrary means any elements. So printing set 3, then set 3 dot pop, applying the pop operation on set 3, again printing the resultant set. You see the original set is 1 2 3, then we perform pop operation. So after pop the result is 2 3. That means 1 has been removed. Next again performing pop operation. So this time 2 is removed. Then what is remained in set 3? Only 3 is remained. So 1 deleted over here, 2 deleted over here, then only 3 is left. So this is also one of the interview question. What is the difference between list pop and set pop? So you can take help. So list pop means it remove or return an element at the index. If you don't specify the index, then by default it removes the last element. Then what about set pop? Set pop means it returns an arbitrary element. That means no guarantee. So which element is to be removed. Then there is also the method remove. So you also have the same method in list. So remove means it removes the given element. So set for dot remove of 2. I want to remove 2. Then 2 will be removed. So remember, 2 is not an index. So 2 is element, not an index. Then clear. So set 3 dot clear means all the elements are cleared. It means the set can become empty. So this is about tuples and sets. So you might be also learning about these things in the future examples and also in the future videos. So that's it. So do like our video and do subscribe so that you can get a notification on the new videos. Thanks for watching.